Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. ER diagram. ER diagram is a specialized graphic that illustrates the relationship between entities and database. ER stands for Entity and Relationship Model. It is a high-level data model. It develops conceptual design for the database. The model is used to define the data elements and relationship among them. Here we have given a simple example for ER diagram. Further we are going to discuss about this ER diagram deeply. Student is an entity which is real world object. College is an entity which is real world object. The relationship between the student and college will be study in. In this diagram, student, college are entities as I said. They have some attributes. The property of an entity is called as attribute. That is, the student have ID, name and other. These are the properties of a student called as attributes.